So my name is John Kelly. I'm the lab and field team lead here at Worksighted, and I've been working with Worksighted for just over 2.5 years now.
My name is Nate Johnson. I'm a lab engineer, and I've been here a little over a year. First part of my day, usually get here, and the first half hour or so, I go through my emails from the night before, see if I've got any response on the tickets that I was working on from the last couple days.
What? Does that happen all day?
All day, that's all he does. That's actually all he does. He doesn't actually work here. So yeah, my day today is I'm directly responsible for our lab and field teams, not only for their scheduling, but also making sure that the team has the proper tools and equipment.
About 80% of what I do is setting up computers for customers, so imaging them with Windows and installing any line of business apps or like customer specific software, just prepping those for new users or replacing or setting up replacement laptops for existing users.
Making sure that we have the proper knowledge source for the ticket, the future vision planning as well. What's the lab going to be in a year, 2 years, 3 years from now? What tools are we going to need to get those jobs done? How can we get the team trained up to not only expand the knowledge of everyone on the team, but also prepare for the future. You know, times are changing, technology changes every day.
In addition to that, sometimes I'll do like minor troubleshooting or hardware repairs like RAM replacements or hard drive replacements, things like that.
Here in the lab, we set up, laptops, desktops, tablets, phones. We could go as far as, Android and iOS, both Android phones, iPhones, iPads, Samsung tablets, and then, laptops we set up, Dell. Sometimes we've even had, like a gaming PC come through once or twice. So we really, it usually is never the same stuff over and over and over.
Worksighted is actually my first IT job. I did not go to school for IT. I always had like a passion for technology, and I always enjoyed working with computers. I was always the go-to person in my family whenever somebody needed help with a computer. Worksighted was a great place to come to kind of get that experience.
The lab's a great place to gain experience. Not only you're working on almost all of the clients. You're learning their environments, how you set up every single computer. Training is taken very seriously here at Worksighted, but it's also very approachable. You don't feel like you're forced to do training, but you're put in an environment where you want to learn.
Everybody's really good at what they do, but we all work hard, but we're able to have a good time when we do that.
Here at Worksighted, the one-on-ones, they entail not only just generally checking in, how's your day going, how's your week going, but how's the workload going, or do you feel like you could do more? Do you feel like you're drowning? Are you anywhere in between? Do you have the tools that you think are necessary to get the job done? As from a management perspective, it's easy to put someone on a ticket and just say, hey, I need you to work on this, but it's nice to have the touch points, the one-on-ones with the team, because we get to learn from their perspective, what is going well and what is not, from the people that are actually working on the tickets and trying to give the best customer experience. You can reach out directly to anyone and get a response. There's not like this silo effect that other companies might tend to have.
Everybody is super friendly, everybody is super helpful, and even when I first started and did a bunch of job shadows, everybody really made me feel like I was a part of the team.
I could reach out to someone in a single group chat from sales, marketing, remote, and maybe even procurement, and just say, hey, I might just start a conversation.
They all made sure to tell me that they were always available for questions. There was no such thing as a stupid question, and if I ever wanted to talk more, they were always available. And I just thought that was amazing and something that I really hadn't experienced anywhere else.
Yeah, so the team dynamic directly within the lab and field teams we are all very close. We are one of the departments that's still here in the office.
I love being a lab engineer and coming into the office every day. For one, the team that works here is awesome, and we have a great time working together. But it's also given me the opportunity to be more hands-on.
I know there's a lot of camaraderie here in the office is the best way I can describe it.
We're all very similar personality-wise. We all have a lot of the same interests. John Kelly is a great supervisor. Our senior lab engineer is awesome, always willing to sit down, walk you through, something or help with whatever you might be stuck on.
It's fun too because you get to not only watch people grow, but you're there with them in person.
It's a great team dynamic. We work hard, but we have a good time when we're doing it.